Hey, fitness enthusiasts! Are you looking for a simple yet effective way to elevate your walking routine? Today, we're diving into the popular 12-3-30 walking workout, a fun and efficient way to enhance your cardiovascular fitness. Join us as we explore the key insights from the article and learn how to make the most of this engaging exercise routine. Introduces the 12-3-30 walking workout, which involves walking on a treadmill at a 12% incline, 3 mph pace for 30 minutes. This workout is designed to provide a high-intensity cardio session, burning calories and improving overall fitness levels. The 12-3-30 walking workout is a simple yet effective way to elevate your fitness routine. By walking on a treadmill at a 12% incline, 3 mph pace for 30 minutes, you can achieve a high-intensity cardio session that torches calories and boosts cardiovascular fitness. This workout is suitable for beginners and experienced exercisers alike, offering a convenient and accessible way to improve your health and well-being.